Module 9, Cash Flow Management. Profit is not cash. A project can be profitable over its full life and still put your firm under pressure when salaries, suppliers, travel, and activities must be paid before invoices clear. Build a rolling cash forecast. For a short-term view, use the next 13 weeks. For a longer assignment, add a monthly forecast through the expected end date. List the opening cash position, expected receipts by realistic payment date, committed and forecast payments, financing or credit capacity, and the resulting closing balance. Update it every week with actual payments and the latest information from the invoice tracker. Be realistic about receipts. Do not place a claim in the forecast merely because the team plans to invoice it. Move it through stages, work not yet complete, invoice in preparation, submitted, certified, and payment date confirmed or estimated. Each stage carries a different confidence level. This prevents a forecast from looking healthy because it counts optimistic cash as if it were already in the bank. Include the costs that are easy to overlook: payroll, taxes, subconsultants, insurance, bank fees, currency conversion, travel advances, workshop commitments, equipment deposits, guarantee fees, and the release or repayment conditions of any advance. A cash forecast fails when it captures only invoices and major supplier bills. Your practical levers are limited but powerful. Invoice complete work promptly. Remove queries fast. Follow up on a named next action. Schedule commitments to match approved budgets and funding timing. Negotiate sensible payment timing and advances during contracting, not when the account is empty. Maintain approved working capital or credit capacity at firm level for credible delays. And do not use project funds, advances, or restricted money to solve an unrelated cash problem. Foreign exchange is another cash and margin exposure. If revenue and costs are in different currencies, identify which amounts are committed in each currency, what rate you used in your budget, and what room exists in the contract for conversion or adjustment. Do not speculate with project money. Use the permitted payment and conversion route, record the rate used, and escalate material variance early. The important conversation with management is not will this project be profitable. It is what is the lowest expected cash balance, in which week, under a realistic payment delay scenario, and what is our approved response? That question turns a crisis into a decision made in advance. Checkpoint. If your largest certified invoice arrives 4 weeks late, can you still meet your commitments? If you do not know, your cash forecast needs work. Your action is to create a 13-week rolling forecast and review the lowest balance with management before it becomes urgent. Next, we combine cash discipline with the other side of financial health, using the contract budget and level of effort deliberately, without drifting into unpaid work or unjustified claims.